The new 97.9 Light FM KODM. Hi, I'm Spencer Bennett, and with me I have a very special guest, one of the sweetest ladies that you would ever want to meet. It's Nancy Bolen-Resnick.
That's right.
We've had the dash Resnick added to her name. Just great to have you. And, of course, you recognize her as the voice on some commercials that we do.
Frequently. Yes.
But we like that.
That's Thank you. I do, too. It's good for business.
October is National Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And
Correct.
I can tell everybody, they probably heard you speak about this particular event last year. I remember you coming in, and we sat down and talked, or stood up and talked about the Pink Out game that was going on at Grande Communications Stadium.
Mm-hmm.
Little did you know, and can I share a little bit of your story? Would you share a little bit of your story?
Sure.
And let's talk a little bit about the game first. What's coming up?
Okay. Well, first of all, this is the 4th annual Pink Out event. So we're really excited about that.
Yeah.
And from the very beginning, the students and faculty at Midland High bought into this. The football players, we get little pink ribbon helmet stickers that they wear on their helmet, and it's just exciting. And we're out in the front handing out pink ribbons and making people aware that breast cancer is serious business. 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed. Men are not out of the woods. And this year we have joining us, Midland Memorial Hospital Breast Center staff is going to be out there handing out some great stuff. And then at halftime, we're going to have a brief ceremony honoring the breast cancer survivors that are in the stadium. So it's pretty neat.
Pretty amazing moment to be down on the field. I had the honor a couple of years ago of being down there on the field when they brought out the fighters, the breast cancer survivors, and then honoring those no longer with us. But it was just such a powerful moment.
Yes.
And it was amazing. Now, let's get to, after you supported this, little did you know that...
Well, yeah. In my situation, I get an annual mammogram every spring. And this year when I had my mammogram, the technician said, "You have dense breast." And I said, "Really?
Thanks. Appreciate that."
What? Yeah. What does that mean? What does that look like? And what it means is the tissue is thicker. And so when the nurse from my gynecologist's office called me the next morning, she said, "Nancy, your mammogram's clear, but because you have dense breasts, we want you to get a sonogram." And it was the sonogram that exposed a small tumor that the biopsy was done, and it was positive for cancer. So I had a lumpectomy and then did radiation. Because it was caught early, there was no lymph node involvement. The tissue surrounding was clear. It was all great.
And that's what we talked with Dr. Noah Wimpy about yesterday, was the importance of early detection.
Correct.
That's such a key to beating this disease.
It really is. And that dear doctor is the one who did the biopsy on me. Yeah, he's a neat guy. But when that happened, I thought, oh my gosh, I got to share this information, because I honestly had never heard that before. And Texas is one of 5 states in the country that have a law that if a woman has dense breasts, they're supposed to be told so they can have the option of getting a sonogram.
Right.
And Texas passed in 2012. Now, nobody said anything to me in 2013, but they did finally in 2014. So I just want to encourage women, when they get their mammogram, if nothing is said, ask.
Yeah.
So
it's your health.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we've got some great folks, of course, with the Allison Imaging Center and Midland Memorial and our local hospitals. Just get your tests done. Go get screened for sure. And come out to the event, too. It's going to be a great time.
Grande Stadium. Come out and...
now, this is going to be Midland High San Angelo Central, correct?
Yes.
All right.
And got great weather.
Oh, yeah.
The Lord's blessing us with a good day. Fortunately, it's not going to be Monday's weather, which
Right.
was ugly. But it's going to be a great night. And we're going to be selling the pink thunder sticks that the Bosworth Company
Make
had,
a lot of noise with those.
donated money to buy that. And yes, we'll make noise, and all the proceeds will go to breast cancer awareness.
And
So-
if you are a survivor, we'd like to invite you to the game, too.
Absolutely, because at halftime, we'll be recognizing the breast cancer survivors who are in the stadium.
All right. So at the end of this video, and for those of you listening on the radio, we will have the video posted a little bit later. We'll have a link to our previous video about breast cancer screening. Tomorrow, October 17th, is Mammogram Day. So go schedule your mammograms and get checked out. And then, of course, tomorrow happens to be the football game.
Absolutely.
So go. Midland High
Game
versus
day.
San Angelo Central. Breast cancer survivors honored at halftime. Nancy, it's good to see you again.
Thank you, Spencer.